Ever open a long article and feel the page is too crowded, too many ads, buttons, and menus everywhere? Today I will show you how to enable Lite Reader View on Chrome. With this feature on, Chrome will show a simplified reading mode whenever the page supports it. It's super clean and super easy to read. To do so, open Google Chrome. Tap the three dots at the top right. Then go to Settings. Scroll down the screen. Tap Accessibility. And then enable simplified view for web pages. Go back to the home page. Then open any article. When Chrome detects it, the reading mode icon appears next to the address bar. Tap it and the page will switch to a clean, simple, reading-friendly layout. And that's it. Now your articles are easier to read, load faster, and feel distraction-free. It's perfect when you just want the text, not the noise. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.